Today I'm going to show you how to prevent repost notifications from anyone on X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you want to reduce notification clutter and keep your alerts focused on the things that actually matter, this is the setting you need to change. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media guides like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open X.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This is where X keeps a lot of the extra account options that aren't shown front and center. After you click More, a menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is the section where you can manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and notification settings all in one place. Next, inside Settings and Privacy, click on Notifications. This is where X lets you control what kinds of alerts you receive, whether they're from mentions, likes, replies, reposts, or other activity happening on your account. Now click Preferences. This section is all about customizing how notifications work for you, so you can reduce unnecessary alerts and keep only the ones you want. After that, click Push Notifications. This will take you to the settings that control the notifications that appear on your device through push alerts. Once you're in Push Notifications, find the Reposts section. Here, you'll see the option that controls whether repost activity sends you a notification. All you need to do now is toggle the Off option under Reposts. As soon as you turn that off, you'll stop receiving repost notifications from anyone on X.com or Twitter. And that's it. Your repost notifications are now turned off, so your notifications should be much cleaner and easier to manage. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.